baked Branzino with roasted beets and olive oil. I like fresh Branzino with roasted beets a lot. It's very tasteful in my opinion. Having a fresh baked fish and sweet beets is amazing. So I'm gonna put the beets inside the oven for 1 hour, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while taking care of the fish, scaling, cleaning, marinating. The beets are ready and I will let them cool off for 10-15 minutes while setting up the oven for 30 minutes and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fresh lemon, a bit of sea salt, black pepper and basil. Here's the beets, soft, warm. I will cool them down completely before having them with fish. Just one is enough today. The fish is ready. I'm ready to eat. A bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and fish is perfectly baked and beets are soft and sweet.